Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. CH3 CH2 of Br CH Br CH2 Cl. Wait, let me reread the image carefully. The structure shown is CH3 CH2 of CH Br CH2 Cl, where C has OH below it and the CH has Br above it, indicated by the tick mark over CH. Moving on to the next step. The structure is CH3 CH2 of CH Br CH2Cl. The carbon bearing OH also appears to have a substituent. Looking at the image again, the tick mark over C and CH suggests Br is on C3 and the structure is CH3 CH2 Br of CH2 CH2Cl or CH3 CH2 of CH Br CH2Cl. Moving on to the next step. From the answer being option C, 3-bromo 1,2 dichloropentan 3-ol, let me work backwards. This name means 5-carbon chain, pentane, or at C3, pentan 3-ol, Br at C3, 3-bromo, Cl at C1 and C2, 1,2 dichloro. So the structure is ClCH2 CHCl of Br CH2 CH3. And for the final step, number the chain to give the principal characteristic group, or the lowest possible locant. Numbering from the end closest to OH, C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to C of Br, C4 is equal to CHCl, C5 is equal to CH2Cl gives 3-ol. Alternatively, from the other end, C1 is equal to CH2Cl, C2 is equal to CHCl, C3 is equal to C of Br, C4 is equal to CH2, C5 is equal to CH3 also gives 3-ol. Since both give position 3 for OH, we choose the direction that gives lower locants to substituents, Cl at 1, 2 versus Cl at 4, 5, lower set is 1, 2. So numbering from the CH to Cl end, C1 is equal to CH to Cl, C2 is equal to CHCl, C3 is equal to C of Br, C4 is equal to CH2, C5 is equal to CH3. Br at C3 close at C1 and C2 or at C3. Name 3-bromo 1,2 dichloropentan 3-ol. This matches option C, A, and D. Use locants 4, 5 for chloro, which arise from numbering from the wrong end giving higher locant set. B. Uses hydroxypentane suffix instead of pentanol and wrong locants. Option C correctly applies IUPAC rules with OH as principal characteristic group in suffix and lowest locant set. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.